Let's move on now to looking at some specific cases. And there are three cases that I want you to understand, or three categories. So look for the documents that talk about the different case types. We're going to go through this chart as well as this one that talks about different tools I recommend you use. Now for the categories, we have market sizing and estimation, mini business, like a short business case, and then a longer full business case. Market sizing and estimating is basically trying to figure out some ambiguous question and put some numbers to it. Someone might ask you, well, Starbucks is doing well. How many coffee beans do they use globally each year? And you might have to figure that out in pounds. That's tough because it's ambiguous. You have to use math and communicate, and usually they're very quick. We used to see a lot of these cases just in undergraduate interviews, but now they get tucked into all kinds of interviews. You might be in a longer business case and then find yourself having to do a market sizing or estimation problem. The next category is the mini business case. These are about 15 to 20 minutes, and typically it's about a business topic or some kind of a problem that you'd be familiar with in your classes. Profitability, launching a new product, maybe getting rid of a division of the business. So you want to think through some concepts, and that's when we start getting into structures and frameworks. And you have to communicate with math, but it's not as quick and on the spot at times. Lastly is the full business case. This is usually 30 to 40 minutes, very long. There might be multiple handouts, multiple equations to solve, and you'll find yourself, spending more time with the interviewer, communicating through your ideas and solving the problem together. And that's usually a final round or more of a later round type of case. Let's move to this other document. And there are some tools that we'll be talking about in the Craft the Case workshop. I'm going to introduce to you the SPEAK method. I'll tell you a little bit more about that in a minute, as well as FRAME and the MVM. Now, please keep in mind, these are tools designed to help you think your way through these cases. Not something that you have to memorize and just use over and over again, but more of a guide. I'll help you understand how to use those tools, and it's going to make all of these cases a whole lot easier.